is a clean Amiga 4000 computer. It's got 18 meg of RAM in it. Has a VGA adapter, so you can plug it into a standard VGA monitor. I have it plugged into a Dell flat panel. Turn it on. See the memory up top. It's the disk. 3 gig. Screen size. So the battery's been removed, so the clock always resets every time you turn it on. The only issue that it has is the floppy drive sticks when it tries to eject floppies that have labels on them. So the floppy comes up fine, everything works. Let's see, it has a little trouble if it has a label. If it doesn't have a label, floppy comes up and then it ejects just fine. That's it.